Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about DSers, a dropshipping platform that's been getting a lot of attention lately. I've been using DSers for a while now, and I've found it to be a great tool for beginners. In this video, I'm going to share my experience with DSers and help you decide if it's the right platform for you. What is DSers? DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress suppliers. This means that you can sell products on your Shopify store without having to hold any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order on your store, DSers will automatically place the order with the AliExpress supplier. The supplier will then ship the product directly to your customer. Pros and cons of DSers. There are a number of pros and cons to using DSers. Pros. Easy to use. DSers is very easy to set up and use. Even if you're a beginner, you should be able to get the hang of it quickly. Large selection of products. DSers has access to millions of products from AliExpress. This means that you can find almost anything you want to sell. Automatic order fulfillment. DSers will automatically place orders with your AliExpress suppliers when a customer places an order on your store. This saves you time and hassle. Competitive pricing. DSers offers competitive pricing on many products. Good customer support. DSers has a good customer support team that is available to help you if you have any problems. Cons. Can be expensive. DSers charges a monthly fee, as well as a transaction fee for each order. This can add up, especially if you're selling a lot of products. Limited customization. DSers offers limited customization options for your products. This means that you may not be able to customize your product listings as much as you would like. Can be slow. Sometimes, orders can take a while to be shipped from AliExpress suppliers. This can lead to customer dissatisfaction. Is DSers right for beginners? I believe that DSers is a great option for beginners who are looking to get started with dropshipping. It's easy to use, and it offers a wide selection of products. However, it's important to be aware of the costs associated with using DSers. Here are some tips for beginners who are considering using DSers. Do your research. Before you sign up for DSers, it's important to do your research and make sure that it's the right platform for you. Start with a small number of products. When you first start using DSers, it's a good idea to start with a small number of products. This will help you to get a feel for the platform and avoid any problems. Choose products carefully. When choosing products to sell on DSers, be sure to choose products that are in high demand and have good profit margins. Provide excellent customer service. It's important to provide excellent customer service to your customers. This will help you to build trust and keep them coming back. DSers is a great option for beginners who are looking to get started with dropshipping. It's easy to use, and it offers a wide selection of products. However, it's important to be aware of the costs associated with using DSers. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.